talked about making it. I'm sorry that you never made it. It pains me just to hear you have to say it. You knew the game and played it. It kills to know that you have been defeated. I see the wires pulling while you're breathing. You knew you had a reason. It killed you like diseases. I can hear it in your voice while you're speaking. You can't be treated. Mr. Know-it-all. And his rain and his fall. At least that's what his brain is telling all. If he said help me kill the president, I'd say he's missing. Sick of screaming and hissing. The wire's got the best of him. All that he invested in goes straight to hell, straight to hell. Bus! There's two people at the door claiming to be related to you.
Impossible. I'm an only child.
You should come check it out then.
Ugh, fine.
You know, she shouldn't fly like that with a dress on.
Shut up!
Hello?
Hi, sister. Maybe I'll come inside.
Sure?
I know, you're probably thinking you're an only child, but
My parents are dead.
that's where you're wrong.
I saw them get killed. Stakes went straight through their hearts as I ran.
No, Jaden, those fams were your adopted parents. Your real ones gave you away to protect you. Please don't cry, I know.
You're joking, right?
We really aren't.
Well, I don't believe you.
But we look alike.
Many people have blue eyes and freckles. Now find your way out.
Well, wait! I have something that...
Hey! Wait. Now that I have your attention... My name is Ezra. Look, I noticed that you've been down here for a while. I also know what you're trying to do. Just saying, you should probably follow me if you want to get into the castle. I know. Don't trust strangers. But I swear, I'm a good person. Just trust me.
Fine. But if you mess anything up, you're on my hit list.
I swear, just don't hurt me. Follow me.
What do you mean this isn't a good idea? I'm going to go check on her. Go put those guys outside. Lock them out there. They wouldn't dare jump because they would die if they did.
Okay, just go. You guys wouldn't understand how annoying he is.
Ugh, my head. Are you both alright?
I think so.
I'm okay.
Yeah, because Ray's here. Yeah, you do like him.
Val! It's okay. She can't go far. We're on a balcony after all.
I know. She only ran 4 feet away.
Yep.
Having my little sister tease me is strange.
That's what they do best.
I guess she fell asleep.
Ray,
Yes?
I noticed that you started blushing around me. So, do you have feelings for me? I wasn't trying to ruin the moment or anything. I just wanted to know. Sorry if I'm pressuring you.
Quinn? I don't know if I do or not. I just...
Jaylene?
I told you to stay away from him! Now you're going to pay.
What?
Come on! Quinn! Ah! No! Ah!
Quinn...
No!
Don't worry, Quincy. I'll save you. Vampire blood always works. Now for the transformation.
We're going to have to go through here.
Why?
Because there's traps if we go any further.
Fine. Ezra, I need you to use one of your gadgets to get Bethany.
Alright.
I meant to ask, how do you have powers?
I'm the son of Gazel. He rules over all mythical creatures. He also lives/rules on Venus. One day, after he dies, I will too. Except he's evil, and I'm not.
Interesting.
Yeah. Hey, what's your name?
Moses?
Right. Could you come here?
Sure. What the heck?
Now you're trapped. And I'm going to kill your friend.
What? No! What is this?
Something that'll prevent you from moving. Now, time for you to watch your friend burn.
Don't you dare touch her. You're going to regret it if you... Stop it, you ugly...
You never shut the hell up. My gosh. Now I'm going to burn your friend.
You idiot!
It's called revenge, sweetie.
For what?
Running away. You should be glad you're even alive right now. Jin is going to take you soon, though. See you around, cutie.
Ugh!
You're perfect. Time to show my sister. Come to my room. What do you want? Is that Quincy? Indeed. Why is he a vampire? He wasn't scheduled. Jaylene killed him, so I saved him. You only turned him because you have a crush on him. So what? If Jaden hurts you or anything, don't come crying to me. She's not going to hurt me. You killed Jaylene. Jaylene was one of her top vamps. Where did you even put the body? Closet, behind you. That is so disgusting! Disgusting. Oh, I'll show her disgusting. Quincy, I want you to murder someone for me. Yeesh, what happened to you two? Quinn is dead. Oh, I wouldn't be so sure about that. You might want to wake your sister for this, Ray. Fine, I'll wake her.
Ew, it's you two.
Right. Anyway, Quincy. Quinn? Remember what we talked about, Quinn? Now is the time. No!
In a modern world, and there's nothing I can do while I read the latest from the breaking story on the news.